Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this MG remote key fob. First thing what we need to do is we need to remove this silver cover here so we can gain access to the battery. So first we open up the blade and now we get our very thin and fine flat-headed screwdriver similar to this one. And you can just see here in the key fob there's two access points with little clips where you can put your blade or your screwdriver in and push up and releases the cover. Let me just try and demonstrate. So you pop it in the hole there and you pop up and see it just releases it. And then again on this side. And there you go. The cover is removed. Now we just need to remove this little black cover here. And that is your key fob battery. Again, we get our small screwdriver and we just remove it from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just simply get our new key fob battery and we just place it back into the housing, making sure on this key fob that the writing is facing upwards, like this one. And now it's just time to pop it back together. So we just put the cover back on to seal the battery. And now we just pop the silver cover back on. Make sure it all clicks in place. Like so. And there you go. It's all done.